present scenario of India is in a developing country. It is not developed yet. But what if I say that India can be a developed country, developing country, and underdeveloped country? You can see it right now. If we move towards Delhi or Mumbai, you will see those developed areas as a developed country. But if we move little away from those developed areas, you will see India as a developing country. And if you move far away from those developed areas, you will see India as an underdeveloped country. Many of us are coming here and saying that we should respect our national flag. Only by respecting, if we can become a developed country, then we should hoist the national flag every day. We have to do SWOT analysis. We have to know the weaknesses, the strengths, and the opportunities, which is also applied in the national level as well. We have to reach to the next pedestal, and for that, we need to be contributed each and every one. As an economic student, I can relate to this topic very deeply, because in terms of nominal GDP, the biggest finance of the world is in US, United States. Then is Germany, China, Japan, and then is India. And after us is United Kingdom. So you might be thinking, oh, it's an easy job, we can crack it because the country that has ruled over us for 200 years, United Kingdom is behind us. So it is an easy job, we can surely crack it. No, we have to work on our nominal GDP, per capita income, gross domestic national product, everything. And we have to, just by economic position, we cannot be developed. We have to, in a recent survey, India's unemployment is of 40%. So we have to lower our unemployment rate. We have demographic dividend, which means we have more people so that we can work and contribute. But here, the youth has to be educated, skilled, and healthy, and they must get employment. So, just by economic position, it cannot be developed. We have to look upon human development, infant mortality rate, urbanization, child mortality rate, then poverty, very important, imported export section. So there are many factors, many fundamental duties to the citizens, like right to vote, then exercise your pay of taxes, everything are there. But if we do not recognize our weaknesses, then we are not going to be a developed country by 2047. So here we have to contribute, we have to come together, develop ourselves, and wear those watches, as Sir Prasanna said. We have to wear those watches, and then we can think of development, and we can think of developed country at 2047. Lastly, I would like to conclude by saying a quote of Mahatma Gandhi, that the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself for the service of others. You have to lose yourself and have to develop yourself so much that the other people also get inspired by you, and they also start developing. Thank you. Have a nice day.